to give me a Nerf gun for Christmas.
Nope, no guns.
Nerf gun.
Nope, not even a Nerf gun. It's okay.
Means I won't be happy after
The North Pole doesn't need any commies.
Santa's job is to make kids believe in the magic of Christmas, not lecture us on politics. I'm so grateful for all of the people who reached out and sent Nerf guns to Michael. Americans of all backgrounds came together and rallied for my son. We have received hundreds of Nerf guns, and Michael will be distributing those to other little patriots in need.
I'm a police officer, NRA instructor, and a lifetime member of the National Rifle Association. And I gotta tell you, when the NRA reached out to us, we were shocked. Fellow patriots, thank you for all that you do to protect our rights and support us police officers. And NRA, thank you for making my family's Christmas one we will never forget. And I'm proud to say Michael Jr. is now a lifetime member of the National Rifle Association of America.
We're the DiCarlo family.
And we're proud members of the National Rifle Association.
Merry Christmas!